Hey guys, just bringing you another little project that I decided to do. We're about, I'm guessing about a month away here from what we call applesauce season, waiting for a bunch of our apples to finish getting ripe on the trees so we can blend them together and make our annual applesauce. So each year I keep kind of modifying how we do it, and I thought this year I was going to come up with a different style burner. So what I got here, some of you might recognize this. This is the legwork off of an old rocker treadle sewing machine, and I came to have all these parts years ago, cleaned them all up and gave it a paint job, and I was actually going to put a put a top on here and just make like a little bench in our mudroom, something to sit on while you're putting your shoes on and off. And I just never got around to doing it. Well, anyways, it needs cleaned up a little better again because it's been sitting in a shed all this time. But so I come up with an idea to use this big cast iron flat top. I believe this was purchased at a yard sale. Also have had this for several years, and it is perfect dimensions to sit up here on top of this, and I'll bolt it on with some stainless steel or brass hardware, and then underneath here I'm going to mount some burners, which I already picked 2 of those up on Amazon. And so instead of having the flame right underneath our big stainless steel stock pots like we've done in the past, now I'm actually going to be heating the big iron plate, which is going to give you a more even heat transfer, and hopefully a lot less chance that you'll be scorching the applesauce if you're not constantly stirring it in the bottom of the pots while we cook it down. So anyways, this is the project, and I'll keep bringing you some updates on it as I go. I got some work to do on the cast iron plate. The underside is a bit rusty, so it's going to get cleaned up and several coats of high temperature paint, and then it's going to get bolted onto the rocker treadle legwork from the old sewing machine. And after that's done, then I'll work on mounting the burners, and I'll bring you along on the project. So until the next update. All right, so turns out I ended up getting busy with this project today, and pretty well got it finished up. So I'm going to give you a look at what's going on here. So again, used the leg portion of an old rocker treadle sewing machine. Got this iron flat plate, and got it mounted on with stainless steel hardware on all 4 corners. Got the burners that I got from Amazon, like 26 and some change. Mounted those to a piece of aluminum angle with a couple little aluminum angle supports. Again, got those fastened on with stainless steel hardware. Not sure, it seems really stout, but I may want to put a brace on somewhere here between this and here just to give a little added support. But overall pretty happy with how this turned out. Super excited to fire it up and see what it's going to do. I mean, it was a little bit of guesswork on trying to judge the height of the flame from the plate, and I'm still not sure if I'm where I need to be or not, but hey, we're going to give it a try, and I'll let you know how it turned out. So again, this was just something kind of down and dirty, quick things I had laying around minus the burner. So fun little Sunday project, and I think it's going to be really useful for some of our outdoor cooking needs. Hey, we'll catch you on the next one.